Right. Last week, Chris Brown, he was performing at the FNB Stadium here in South Africa, and I gotta tell you this, man, it was packed, fully sold out for 2 consecutive days in a row. Like, damn, South Africans have money. We got money like that to spend it on somebody we barely knew. Meanwhile, we can't even support our brothers and sisters. Like, what the hell? Imagine buying a ticket that's worth 1.8 just to see somebody on a big screen, someone you barely knew. His music is dope. I'm not denying that. His music is dope. His performance was elite, so they say. I wasn't there, but 1.8. Damn. I get it. Maybe CB is so big, but not to that extent that you can just overcharge us. God damn. And what I've realized is other people were having some second thoughts. People bought tickets earlier, and then when it's time for them to go to the show, they started selling those tickets because they saw, or they kind of realized that, you know what, this shit is not worth it. 1.8 just for a ticket. God damn. But anyways, they said it was fun. They enjoyed and all that bullshit. Anyway, good for them. It just shows you that Americans are so dope at marketing their own stuff. They're so dope at marketing their own stuff that they can even overcharge you without you complaining about anything. But I don't want to be like I'm talking bad about the tickets, about Chris Brown and all that shit, but I'm just curious. Was it really worth it to go up there and see the guy doing his thing upside down? I don't know. Maybe it was.
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung